Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use CoinMarketCap and some things you can look at on there that you probably don't know about. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the main page, CoinMarketCap.com, and right here at the top, so there's almost 18,000 cryptos right now, 458 exchanges. This is the total market cap of all crypto, $1.9 trillion. 24-hour volume is at 112 billion. The Bitcoin dominance, and what this means is what percent of the total market cap of all crypto, what percent does Bitcoin take up out of that? 43.2%, and Ethereum 18.3%. Now, this main homepage is probably what you'll be using the most on here. If you scroll down, you'll just see all the cryptos listed from highest market cap down. So you got Bitcoin, then Ethereum, Tether, BNB, etc. And shows you all the prices, the volume, or not volume, but the price change last 24 hours, last 7 days. You got the market caps here. This is the 24-hour volume, circulating supply, little graph for the last 7 days of the price, and then the last 1 hour. So you can also, there's different categories here, DeFi, NFT, coins, metaverse coins, Polkadot, BSC, Solana ecosystem. So you can click on, like, say, metaverse, and it will show you all the different metaverse cryptos. So you've got Decentraland, Sandbox, Axie, Engine. All these are all in the metaverse category. So, like, say you want to look at different metaverse coins to buy, you can scroll through here. You could go to DeFi, look at DeFi coins, whatever. If we go back to the main page, so you can click on one of these and it'll show you more about them. It'll have, like, mineable, proof of work, store of value. This is for Bitcoin. Shows you the market cap here, and then scroll down a bit, you'll see the chart here. You can go to the last 1 year, 3 months, all, whatever you want, last 1 day, 7 days, and yeah, you can learn more about it. If you go to the top right here, you can click on market, and it will show you all the different exchanges you can buy this crypto on. So of course Bitcoin is on, like, everything. And then there's a bunch of other stuff you can look at, but mainly you'll just be looking at, like, the price graph or where you can buy it. That's the most useful in my opinion. Now, if you click here on exchanges up at the top, it'll show you the top cryptocurrency spot exchanges. So it has them, like, ranked. They have their own exchange score that CoinMarket gives them, and it has them ranked by that. So Binance 9.9. Apparently CoinMarketCap really likes them. They do have way more volume than anyone. So you can see the volume for each exchange, liquidity, how the weekly visits, how many different coins they have. So, like, Gate.io, it's got a ton of coins. Same with this one. So you can check out exchanges there, and you can go look at derivatives. If you want to trade with leverage, you can look at decentralized exchanges, and you can see their volume, everything about them, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, etc. And they even have some lending right here. you can check out. And if you click up here on market cap, it will actually show you a graph of the total cryptocurrency market cap. So this is all the cryptos combined. So you can look at the last year, all whatever. And then scroll down and it'll show you the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin. So just all the altcoins. So it looks a little bit different, pretty similar, but so you can check out basically the altcoin chart. And then this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So it will show you basically how much of the total crypto market cap each coin was taking up. So Bitcoin taking up most of it. Back here in 2017, Ethereum got way up here, almost had the same percent of the market cap as Bitcoin. And yeah, so you can see Bitcoin's here, Ethereum, and the smaller coins, XRP, whatnot. And then that's that. And if we'll go back to the main menu. Let's see, so you can click on recently added, see recent coins they've added. It's not very useful. You can look at biggest gainers and losers. So this will show you which coins went up the most in the past 24 hours. Shibatron. And which coins went down the most. So this one 100% down. Nice. And then you can put, maybe you don't want all these coins that are just nothing really, just these tiny coins. Maybe you want to just look at the biggest gainers and losers in the top 100. So you can do that. All right, so we got Rune, 35% up today. Near waves, and then down. You can see the biggest losers. A lot of stuff doing good today. You can look at the top 500. We've got Trust Wallet token, UMA. So that's a pretty cool tool. You can look at trending. So this is basically what people are searching for the most on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin the most, and some other ones. And let's see. Already looked at that. You can go to this one, historical snapshots, right here. And it shows you all the weeks since 2013. You can click on one, and it gives you a snapshot of what all the crypto's prices were at that time. So like April 2013, Bitcoin $134, Litecoin $4, and some other coins here. You can go to let's see, 2017 December. All right, and we got some more. We got Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, 50 cents. So that's pretty cool. And then legal tender countries. This will show you which countries allow crypto as legal tender. So far just El Salvador. And this is people predicting who will be next. So most people think Paraguay or Venezuela. A lot of South American countries in here. Well, the top ones anyways. And then got this one, fiat/company rankings. So this is Bitcoin compared to the largest fiat currencies by market cap. So you've got the won, the United States dollar, which has a market cap of a lot. Max supply, unlimited. And yeah, so the US dollar has 22 trillion in circulation. And these all have a much higher market cap than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is down here at 18 million Bitcoins right now. Max supply 21 million Bitcoins. And the US dollar is way bigger. Market cap of 500 million Bitcoin. So, you know, if Bitcoin does get adopted by a lot of countries and all this fiat starts flowing into Bitcoin, could be crazy. Oh, you can go on top companies over here and see Bitcoin compared to companies. So Apple's market cap is 2.6 trillion. And Bitcoin's down here, 800 billion. So all these companies still have quite a bit. They're quite a bit larger than Bitcoin. So that's pretty cool. Let's look at that. And then, let's see, we looked at that. NFTs. So you can click on this NFT thing. It'll show you top NFT collections. So this is basically showing you which NFT collections have had the most volume in the last 24 hours. Apparently Win NFT Horse is way higher than the rest. Yeah. Price is up 6,000%. So nice. So if you bought one of those, congrats. Yeah, it shows you market cap, floor price, bunch of stuff. So that's kind of cool. And you can look at upcoming sales, which will show NFT collections that are about to give their initial sale. So you can find collections that are coming out right now, brand new, get in early. And then this right here, portfolio. This, you can actually create a portfolio, plug in all your information, which coins do you have, how much, and you can, that way if you have different cryptos on a bunch of different exchanges, you can just combine them into one portfolio. So that's pretty useful. And let's see if we click on this NFT thing. Yeah, it'll bring you to the Win NFT Horse page here on Binance. And you can check it out. You got I guess a bunch of horses you can buy. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So that's that. And then there's a few other little things you've got. You can go to here, earn crypto, and you can watch videos. So watch videos, do a quiz, earn crypto. So you can watch videos about any of these cryptos. You take a little quiz, learn some things, and you earn some crypto. So that's kind of cool. And then there's a jobs board where if you want a job in crypto, there's a bunch of job postings. Front-end developer, whatever, graphic design, social media manager. So there's that. And then if you're new, you can go over to where to buy, and it will basically show you different exchanges where you can buy, how to buy, everything you need to know basically. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. So yeah, there's some more options here. You can filter this a bit on the main page. You can yeah, click on filters. There's a bunch of different things you can filter it by. But yeah, that's CoinMarketCap. Hope you liked this video. Hope you learned something, and see you guys later.